Hello?
Hello!
I don't think he can hear me.
He's taken a vow of deafness.
A vow of deafness? So, how do I speak to him?
Write it down on this.
These guys are dangerously weird.
It's okay! I can see you now! It means I'm head of the society! Have a brochure!
Apparently, this lot believe that an hour of lunacy every week is stress-relieving. They think it reduces the risk of madness in later life. So, how do I join? Oh, yeah.
Luckily for you, we have a vacancy as a porridge wearer! Yes, our last porridge wearer was thrown out for trying to get away with music! I'd have thought it was pretty obvious. All you have to do is wear the porridge.
No worries.